Hey guys, sorry about this. Today is a double upload day. And that's because I haven't uploaded for so long. But if you've seen my airsoft video, you'll know all about why I haven't uploaded. So go watch that if you haven't. I got a package in the mail, so I'm going to be unboxing this. My birthday was the 9th of March. And I'm pretty sure it's a birthday gift. It's from my aunt. So it's probably a lot smaller than this. It feels really like they just over-packaged it. So let's cut into this here. I feel like I'm doing fan mail, even though I don't even get fan mail. This is embarrassing. Whew. That smelled like package. We got ourselves a sweater, boys. We've got ourselves a sweater. I think it's a sweater. Oh yeah, it's a sweater. Oh, nice. Nice. I'm not going to show you guys the catch of this yet. You guys probably have one of these. They're pretty popular. Oh, this is fun. Alright. Dang, this thing's cold. Whew. Alright, so I got this camouflage. Not this camouflage. This skeleton. Oh, it's kind of. Still in my pajamas, by the way. This skeleton sweater. And you guys probably already know what it is. Yeah, you guys know what this is. Oh yeah. This thing legitimately smells like a Halloween mask. No joke. I'm like Donald Trump sniffing up all the crack. Alright. Holy crap. There you go. Woo! Alright, we got a nice sweater here, boys. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment down below if you have anything to ask me. Peace.